Established in 1984 and with over 30 years of experience, OCS Services is a leader in delivery of comprehensive and economical business solutions for maintenance, repairs, and overall total corrosion management and crew management across oil and gas and marine sectors. It is a joint venture between Planet Energy and the world's second largest FPSO provider, BW Offshore. OCS operations span through the globe, and we have a long-term association with leading oil and gas operators and contractors in 23 countries. We are certified by DNV for ISO OHSAS and are also TRACE certified. OCS is a leading industrial specialty service provider for capital projects, turnaround, and routine maintenance. Following are few clients who trust our services. Our Total Corrosion Management division excels and provides the following services to our clients: UHP blasting, corrosion audits and surveys, third-party coating inspection, high-performance coating services, fireproofing, abrasive blasting, specialized cleaning, and surface preparation using safety tools, all met where hot work is not permitted, rope access and design of coatings. The Total Corrosion Management division provides service to various industries such as petrochemicals, power plants, pipelines, tank farms, chemical plants, fabrication yards, FPSOs, drilling rigs, jetty terminals, offshore process, satellite platforms, shipbuilding, and dry docking. We have the capability to serve other industries as well, such as refineries and steel plants. OCS has an effective approach methodology for efficiently managing various corrosion concerns at refineries. Refineries are complex establishments and are subject to a number of high-risk factors because of the substances and intricate process involved in refinery operations. Refinery process units are exposed to different corrosion conditions, and severity is based on several factors. Some of the main drivers of refinery corrosion are water, H2S, CO2, sulfuric acid, naphthenic acid, mercaptans, salt, and others. Each process units are exposed to different operational and environmental challenges. For example, crude oil pre-treatment units are exposed to hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen chloride, and salts, making it vulnerable against corrosion. Similarly, at coker unit, handling of coke dust and acidic environment affects structural integrity. The high percentage of hydrogen disulfide at the sulfur recovery unit is of great concern. Based on multiple complexity at various locations of the refinery, there is a need for thorough survey, mapping, and monitoring of each unit to facilitate implementation of a most effective corrosion management solution. This will ensure selection of right coating system, savings in cost, and reduced downtime. OCS can develop an integrated coating management solution for handling all the challenges, which will be one-stop solution to the client's corrosion concerns. OCS has a pool of corrosion experts and surveyors to provide one-stop solutions to all the corrosion concerns pertaining to refinery corrosion and can set up an integrated corrosion management facility at the complex. We have showcased in a short clip the process that OCS would follow at the facility. Initially, the corrosion experts shall present suitable templates for recording and capturing of results of surveyed location. All the surveys are carried out in line with established techniques and standards such as ASTM, ISO, NACE, etc. The surveyors visit the allocated plant location to carry out a detailed survey using the applicable standards and methods. On completion of surveys, the reports shall be submitted to the experts, who shall carry out a detailed analysis of the surveys, reports, and data. The comprehensive report, including but not limited to severity of corrosion, root cause analysis, corrosion mitigation approach, shall be submitted to the clients. The corrosion experts shall prepare the specification and design of the coating system based on operational and environmental conditions, compatibility with the substrate and existing coating system, regulatory norms, expected service life, possible surface preparation, accessibility, cost, etc. After the finalization of design and specifications, the work packs are developed based on the corrosion severity and priority of locations. The work pack will include the quantum of work, coating design life, resource plan and QC measures. Work plans shall be prepared for monitoring and updates using project management tools. During execution, proper care is taken to ensure that all activities from scaffolding, surface preparation, painting, inspection, and housekeeping are carried out as per specification and applicable standards. The surveys, reports, plan for work, and final inspection report are uploaded in a warranty monitoring system. The software system is effective for having better traceability and tracking. Who has done what, when, where, and how. The data can be monitored from any part of the globe and is easily accessible. The software system is designed to capture the design life of the coating and completion date and the warranty validity date. This helps in monitoring of coating performance at different locations from time to time to enable client take informed decisions. A yearly inspection shall be carried out for all locations under warranty and followed by submission of reports to the client. With the right process and approach backed by a highly professional team, OCS can guarantee best corrosion management solution at the client's facility.